Hello everyone! Today I will guide you to import Odoo module for Odoo entity. Let's say your customers need to use some Odoo modules on the Odoo App Store, and you need to help them with that. Odoo SaaS Kit Pro allows you to import Odoo modules without technical support. As you can see, our Odoo database does not have an accounting module on the Odoo App Store. Now we will download the module and import it to use. To use the Import Module feature on Odoo SaaS Kit, you need to install the module as shown in the video. Okay, the import process is very simple. Please follow along in the video. Then we click the Update Apps List button so we can see the newly imported module. So we have successfully imported and installed. Now we can use the newly imported module. I have introduced the Import Odoo module feature in Odoo SaaS Kit Pro. With this feature, you can test or import modules for customers very simply. Goodbye.